Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat not letting you add friends. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and update Snapchat. Once you done that, you simply need to go into the settings and go into the app management and go into the app list and search for Snapchat, and you need to clear first cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Then you need to restart your smartphone and hopefully your issue will be resolved. But if you still find an issue, you simply need to go and open any browser and you can check the Snapchat friends add limit. So we can see that. So you can see that if you are making trouble adding friends, make sure you are on strong network, and please note Snapchat accounts are limited to having 6,000 friends at a time. However, there is no limit to how many people can add you. So there is a limit that you can only add up to 6,000 friends, and I think the daily limit is about 100 to 150. So if you are adding more than that friend, you will still face an issue. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.